Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT lagging and slow responses. Alright, let's begin. If ChatGPT is lagging or giving slow responses, there are two effective fixes you can apply. First, check the length of your current chat. When a conversation becomes very long, ChatGPT has to process a large amount of chat history before generating each response. This can significantly slow things down. To fix this, ask ChatGPT to summarize the entire conversation. Once you receive the summary, copy it and paste it into a brand new chat. This reduces the amount of data ChatGPT needs to process and usually results in much faster responses. This method is especially useful for long technical discussions or ongoing projects. The second factor to consider is your internet speed. ChatGPT's response time depends heavily on how fast and stable your internet connection is. If your connection is slow or unstable, responses may take longer to load. Switching to a faster network or ensuring a stable connection can improve performance immediately. By shortening chat history and using a reliable internet connection, you can noticeably improve ChatGPT's speed. So that's basically how you can fix ChatGPT lagging and slow responses. That's it for this video. Thanks.